And it is tipping it down. Oh shit. Look at that. Go along the fence line. Go on, Joe. It is absolutely tipping it down.
Jesus! Fuck my life!
Take the picture. Oh my god. The lens has got all wet.
Holy fuck!
Ultimate rat mode right there. Ultimate rat mode.
Thrown in my fucking...
Still smiling there. Still smiling. Look at my trousers, if you can see them, I don't know.
Louis, see? Oh Joe, I'll give you a pain. You rugby tackle a baby cow. What? Rugby tackle a baby cow? How much are you giving me?
This is the sort of crap Luke's coming out with. I'll give you £1 if you'll rugby tackle a baby calf.
Baby calf?
A baby calf is a baby calf.
That fucking cow banging out. Little black and white one. That fucking cow chased me.
Go on Luke, go on, do it.
You've got to make Luke to get fucking done in by the mother.
He wants to, you can tell. He's like, you're looking at him. Hello Joe.
Yeah, fuck my life.
Yeah, fuck my life. Uh-oh. Oh, he's just trodden in poo. Oh yeah. Were you just
Yeah.